Hi guys, I'm gonna have a tutorial of Happy Idul Fitri makeup, simple makeup. First, every time you have to start with cleaning your face. Okay, clean your face. After that, I always use this to freshen up my face. It brings out your mood back because it's so fresh. Okay, let it dry for a while. Using your hand is okay. And I have to use this FTE. Just tap with your hand. Okay. Don't forget your neck. Because when you are getting old later, you will see the difference between your face and your neck. After that, the third layer is this Waterbank essence to prevent your skin from dryness. Okay. Let it dry for a while, and I'm going to use two types of moisturizer. First, I'm going to use this from Laneige. Just use it like this, and just blend it. And don't forget the neck again. After that, I'm gonna use another moisturizer from SK2. It's a skin powder. It makes your skin so soft and moisture and moist. Katanya sih guys, jangan kayak banyak, kayak satu butir aja ya. Okay, that's the base of your makeup. You have to use yourself. I'm gonna record it. Okay. After that, baru kita ke makeupnya. Guys, I'm recording. Don't forget. I always use Nivea, Vaseline everywhere I go. Just use this as a base. Just wrap it. Okay, now I start with, karena aku udah, because I don't have any more, I don't use foundation separate with the powder. I use this Chanel dual, like it's contained of foundation and powder. So I'm gonna use this. Dia punya kuas satu lagi guys, tapi aku nggak pakai yang kuasnya. Kayaknya lebih menyerap kayak ini. Ya kan? Kayak ini semua. Jadi tadi agak sedikit menempel. Aku tuh nggak mau lama-lama guys, dandan guys. Biasanya aku tuh dandan ini kebanyakan di sini. Okay, after that, I'm going to shape my face supaya tajam gitu loh guys, supaya tajam. I'm gonna use contour. Using this guys, contour. This one, use the dark color and shape it in your bone, my jaw. Yes, like this. And the most important thing is, especially when your nose is not really mancung, pakailah untuk di bagian hidung, saudara-saudara, seperti ini. Ambil yang tajam. Start with this. So ugly. This is what happened before. Okay. Tap 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 tap. Tap tap tap. Shape it and then use the highlighter in your middle nose like this. Okay. My nose is a little bit high now. Okay. After that, I'm gonna cover my freckles with this from MAC. Like this. I'm gonna cover it like this. Sedikit aja. I'm gonna cover it. Okay. Sedikit aja. And I'm going to use concealer to cover my under my eyes because it's always kind of darker than the other part. I'm using this concealer from Innisfree. Jadi aku tuh suka combine guys, drugstore. Dikit di sini, dikit di sini, dikit di sini, dikit di sini. Kayak tarik kecap guys. And I'm gonna apply it. Just tap 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 tap. Okay. Under your eyes. This area. Don't cover the contour you made earlier. Just like this. And you have to cover it all with powder again to make it all blended. Like this. Use this again. Okay. Okay. And after that, the next step is eyeshadow. Eyeshadow from Anastasia beverly, or aku juga suka yang si itu. My dress is gonna be white, so I'm going to use, I don't know, darker color on my eyes. I always love this dark thing. Saya itu sukanya kalau nggak coklat, kalau nggak kayak gini dark green gitu. Aku nggak suka pink, entah kenapa. I feel like it's not blend in my face, like not pink at all. Like this. I'm going to use it dark. I have a circle, and on the outer part, use this beige or cream to make it blend with the rest of your skin, like this. Make it blend it like this. Use this color, the cream one, to blend it. Okay. Like that. And I'm gonna use this sparkling one on the top of it. Okay. Guys, you put it in the middle, like that. Okay. Okay. And don't forget to shape your, how do you call this? Nih, pakai warna yang highlighter ini di sini. Seperti ini. Like that. Oke. Sudah semakin berwarna wajah saya. rambutnya udah mulai berantakan. Setelah itu pakailah yang dinamakan eyeliner. Aku pakai Anastasia Beverly Hills karena ini sangat-sangat tipis, so thin and soft. I always use the cat eye on the corner of my eye. Always. You have to be careful when you want to shape the cat eye. Yes. You have to make it precise like that. You can reapply to make it thinner. I mean thicker. Yeah, reapply. Okay, reapply lagi to make it thicker. And don't forget to clean with this in the corner of your eyes. Just use this. Just like that. Okay. Now you use mascara. I use always lagi also Anastasia Beverly Hills for the mascara. I always clean it first and to make it more thick like this. Yes. I didn't use my extension anymore because I don't have time to go to the wait, you can clean up later. My eyelashes is not much and it's also short, so it's a bit challenging using mascara. Gotta be a bit patient. Okay, and don't forget to clean the mess. Look at that, I can see the mess around my eyes. Clean it like this. Okay, and this. Then cover it again with your concealer. This is the use of concealer. Cover it again. So it's like this. And don't forget to give the final touch, which is katanya ada zaman sekarang selalu menaruh ini aksen ini di akhir. Aksen ini penting sekali guys. Take the glittery one in the corner. Katanya namanya apa ya? Bele ABG ya? Bele artis. Gitu. Terus karena aku pakai ini udah warnanya nggak terlalu dark, aku masih menyimpan maskara aku yang udah nggak terlalu aku pakai untuk membuat dia sedikit berwarna hitam lebih gelap. Aku sapu-sapu aja. Oke. Aduh, gitu ya guys. Ya seperti itu. Jadi lebih hitam warnanya. Setelah itu yang terakhir adalah dua terakhir adalah kita pakai yang namanya ini blush. Aku pakai blush dari NARS. Aku suka banget ini. Dia adalah ada contour sama highlighter sama ini. Aku pakai yang ujungnya. Dan guys, naruh itu jangan buluk di sini, tapi di ujung sini sama di sini seperti ini. Tarik ke atas sama di sini. Udah, itu doang. Dia doang. Betul-betul guys. Untuk aja guys. Supaya dia tidak terlalu tebar tebal. Pakai lagi ini sekali lagi guys, pakai lagi ini sekali lagi bedak, buat tipis, jadi kemudian nggak kayak ditabok gitu guys. Aku pakai sedikit highlighter di tulang pipi paling atasnya, warna emas ini. Sedikit aja guys. Nah, seperti itu. Oke, dan final touch, I'm gonna put on my lipstick. Karena tadi pakai lipbalm, jadi lipstiknya lebih ini aku baru coba warna baru dari MAC guys. Aku udah minus plus juga nggak bisa lihat. Marakesh from MAC. Gitu deh, lalu aku bukalah ini, nanti aku akan do my hair, ya kan guys. Sementara seperti ini. So this is it, my lebaran makeup. Thank you for watching. This is it, my final touch, my makeup and my hair. Selamat lebaran Idul Fitri. Minal aizin wal faizin.